they need to be more open than that.
I don't know.
I would say bees are on it, so if it's good enough for them, it should be good enough for us, right?
I would think so.
Okay. So I was watching Simple Jan Homestead, one of her live videos, and she was talking about she had seen another channel making redbud jelly. We got this beautiful redbud here. Actually, redbud's always been one of my favorite trees. One, because they turn pink in the spring, but also because after they're done budding, their leaves look like little hearts. So, it's kind of always been one of my favorite trees. But anyway, she was talking about redbud jelly. Never even heard of it before, let alone never had it. So, figured, let's try it. That was a little different. Okay, we got the bullets zeroed out. So yeah, we're just gonna put these in here, get these weighed out, so we can get our jelly started. $12.8. Yep, 12.8. And then we also have, put the bowl back on. We also have some eggs. £1 pound, 0.1 ounces. So that's what we got for the week. So what I'm doing is going through here and just making sure that I have all the stems out, so that all that is going in here is just the blossoms. Oh, dropped one. Okay, so it says you gotta strain this out. Okay, this has been sitting in the refrigerator. You can kind of see the color. And then you gotta strain it. Ours looks more purple than the pink. Wonder if that means something. Squeeze all of that. Make sure I get all the goodness.
What's the lemon for?
The juice. Do you want the seeds in there? You know what? I'm just going to use paper towel. I'm going to just catch the seeds just in case. 4 different versions of this.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like everybody's got their own recipe. Oh. I'm busted. Hopefully I didn't get any seeds in there. Just check. Ah, dang it. Seeds got through. Okay. Guess we're straining that. Ooh, that turned into pink.
Yeah, it did.
And well, it's still kind of a purpley. Okay, we're still gonna go for it though. Yes. Pectin. This is what makes the jelly jellied.
Is that what makes the jelly jelly?
Mm-hmm.
That looks like beet juice.
Mm-hmm. It does look like that. Some of that pectin just doesn't want to work out. I will say though, it is old pectin, so from last year. Okay, now to the stove. Kind of questioning whether or not my pot's big enough.
4. Oh, put more ingredients in it?
Well, I've got the sugar left to go. That's all the ingredients that are left. I wouldn't. Yeah, that's all the ingredients that are left. But when the pectin and the sugar combine, it like thickens and like bubbly.
Oh, really?
You bring that up to a boil. Then once it is to a boil, let it boil 1 minute. And then put the sugar in and then stir. Keep an eye on it because it's gonna wanna, and once that starts boiling, then we're ready to roll. Okay, we got that on a boil. It is going pretty good. Here's the part I'm kind of concerned with because I am not so confident that this isn't too small. Now what I'm needing the sugar to do is to dissolve in this. Bring it back up to a boil. Yep, it's gonna boil over. Come on, stay down. Stay down. Come on, stay down. Nope, it's gonna go. There's some metal in there. That's gonna suck clean. I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. My gut said, it's not gonna be big enough. But my laziness talked me out of it. I was like, oh, you already got this one going. Go ahead, go for it. There is our minute. Ladle. Let's get the ladle in. And with any other canning practice, make sure they were wiping the lid down. Be careful because it's hot. Make sure you get a good seal. And we wait. Just like back in the day, they didn't have these little doohickeys.
Wonder what they used.
People back then were tough. They probably bare-handed it. Okay. There's this. Okay, so our jelly has been sitting for 24 hours, and let's see how we did. Remember, I've always told you, I'm gonna show wins and fails. There it is. Looks like a win, but it's actually a fail. So, lesson learned. Don't use old pectin, because I know that's what it was. But, we're gonna try it. Yeah, it's pretty runny. Put it on a biscuit. Oh yeah, it's pretty runny. I don't know if I can get you in here to see this or not. But it is pretty. On a biscuit. Tastes pretty good. It tastes good. I just can't tell you exactly what it tastes like. Kind of hard to put in words. If you've ever had honey that has like that sweet, flowery taste, I would say that that's pretty comparable. It's good, but way too runny to be jelly. But we can still put it on ice cream or drizzle it over cake. Yeah. I'll still find something to do with it. So, lesson learned. Don't use little pectin, or you don't get jelly. You get ice cream topping.